Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recall your mails into Zoho Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to recall your mails into Zoho Mail, you first have to open your Zoho Mail application. Now, after opening the application, just simply go to your sent box in folders. From there, you will get all of the emails that you have sent, and you can recall them. Now, to recall the emails, you just simply have to click into this delivery status icon which has a green tick, indicating that the email was delivered. Click into that, and then you will get this recall this email option. Just simply click into that button in order to recall the email. But in order to do that, you will need a premium account of Zoho Mail. By following these very easy steps, you can easily recall your emails into Zoho Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.